Assalamu alaikum, friends. Many people think that every person will have their own separate paradise. But the truth is that paradise, Jannah, is one. Only its levels and ranks are different. Allah Almighty says in the Quran, "For all there are degrees according to what they have done." Surah Al-In'am, verse 132. That means every person will have a rank according to their deeds. The Prophet ﷺ said, "There are 100 levels in paradise, and between each level is the distance between the heavens and the earth." Sahih Bukhari. So paradise is one, but every believer will have a different position and reward according to their faith and good deeds. Some will be in Jannatul Firdaus, the highest paradise, and some in lower levels. Yet all will be happy and none will feel any lack. Conclusion? Paradise is not many, it is one, but inside it are different levels and blessings.